Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's at stake when President Trump's big beautiful bill comes to the table? It may seem like a simple piece of legislation, but behind the scenes lies a surprise: higher taxes for electric and hybrid vehicle owners. You've probably heard that Americans love their cars, but did you know that the average driver pays over $279 in federal gasoline taxes each year? That's because gasoline's cars have long been the backbone of our transportation system, with states relying on these taxes to fund roads and bridges. However, with the rise of electric vehicles and hybrid alternatives comes a change in the way we think about fueling up. 39 states now require special registration fees for EVs or other alternative fuels, from just $50 in Colorado to upwards of $290 planned for New Jersey. But here's the thing: these fees aren't just about generating revenue, they're also about discouraging people from buying electric and hybrid cars. In fact, that's exactly what the Trump administration has done with its big, beautiful bill. Under this new legislation, EV owners will face an annual registration fee of $250, while hybrids will pay $100 plus inflation, which could quickly drive up costs. Critics like Daniel Tate from Energy Alabama argue that these fees are not only regressive, but also threaten the state's growing electric vehicle manufacturing sector. The government claims this is all about cutting taxes, but when you look closer, it seems to be just another way for polluters to keep on profiting off our addiction to fossil fuels. We need a smarter approach, one that balances funding for roads with the growing demand for cleaner transportation options. Let's not forget, we're talking about the future of America here, and what kind of country do we want to build? As our climate crisis deepens, it's time to rethink how we pay for progress. Join us at Electro Drive News as we dive deeper into the world of sustainable energy and explore ways to make a change that will benefit generations to come. By supporting organizations like ours, you can help create a more just and environmentally friendly future, one step at a time.